Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete saved videos on TikTok. So let's get right into it. First of all, we need to open TikTok app and then we will see our saved videos. Just simply hit on profile. Go to profile page and then select the video you want to delete. Hit on this three-dotted button, scroll left, and here you will see delete button. Hit on delete. The pop-up will appear on the screen and here you have to hit on delete. In just few seconds guys, your video will be deleted successfully. And that's it. So this is how to delete saved videos on TikTok. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.